Hey, what's up, Vince? Corey here. Real quick, I'm going to shoot over a few tips that we can actually apply to a website. I didn't see that you actually had a website on here, but anyway, if you do, I apologize. I overlooked it. But we can actually build that out for you, not a problem. But doing three tips, we can actually take that website on that first page and actually draw in a lot more leads and help grow your business. The three things I'm actually going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. I got to tell you, we care plumbing and heating inside here as well. Just kind of give you an example of what's going on. But the first thing I'm actually going to go over is content. Google loves words, and I like to be, right around that 2,000 word count, right on that first page. So that way you can actually layer in those keywords. Those keywords are what people are actually searching for, and how your website is even being found. Kind of give you an idea here. If you go inside of Google, type in Wildemar HVAC, this is what you're going to see. You got these Google guarantees right here at the very top. These are just a new form of paid advertisement that actually came out last year. There came to replace these old school ads, which these been spammy. These are supposed to just help block out some of those spammy phone calls. A lot of these ads aren't even getting through just because people have ad blockers up and whatnot. But right here in this map section, we have a bunch of businesses competing to get to the very top right here. And you can see there's multiple different companies, multiple pages as well. And to get to the very top where all the traffic actually happens, you're going to be dealing with all those online directories called citations. So these things are arranged from like Facebook, LinkedIn, City Star, the local best. There's thousands of them out there, even the BBB. But what we'd want to do is go get these same citations from our top competitors. We obviously want to go out and completely outrank them. So I would do maybe 50 or even 100 times the amount of citations that they have. So when Google does all their algorithms and whatnot, they got no reason to put you in the very top for all that work that you did in this listing. Underneath this map pack, we have where all that organic traffic happens on that first page of Google. And to get your website found right here on that first page to bring in these leads and get your phone ringing off the hook really comes down to making sure you have all that content. You're found for those keywords, but also what comes down to what's called a backlink. What a backlink is just a link from multiple different websites linking right back to your website. All those sites do is just really push power to your site so you can get on that first page of Google. Kind of give you an idea here. I took this WeCare URL and stuck it inside of Ahrefs. Here's the keywords that they're actually ranking for. Here's their position. Kind of going over a couple of these with you. They're more in the Temecula area. We can actually do them, those keywords close to you as well. HVAC Temecula, there's 80 clicks a month. AC repair Temecula, 70 clicks. Air conditioning Temecula. So, even if we get a few, 2-3 jobs out of each one of these keywords, and really how many jobs do you actually want to go after, and really how many keywords do we need to put that together to actually accomplish that. Anyway, hopefully that all made sense. I'd love to put a custom game plan to help you out to get to where you want to go, and or if you just want to play these 3 free tips for yourself, that's fine too. Look forward to chatting soon. Take care, Vince.